Belling the cat. A long time ago, the mice called a meeting to decide on a plan to free themselves of their enemy, the cat. They wanted to find some way to know when the cat is coming, so they'll have time to run away. They lived in such fear, fearing every moment when the cat will pounce on them. Many plans were discussed, but none of them were good enough. At last, a very young mouse stood up and said, "I have a plan." Everyone was surprised and looked at the small mouse. "It may seem simple, but I know it will be successful," said the mouse. "Tell us your plan," said an old mouse. "You know, my brothers, the cat moves silently before attacking us. All we have to do is hang a bell around the cat's neck. When we hear the bell ringing, we'll know that the cat is coming. This will give us time to escape," said the mouse. Everyone was very impressed with this idea, and they all applauded the young mouse. But then, in the midst of applause, the old mouse stood up and said, "I will say that the plan of the mouse is very good." And then he asked them, "But tell me, who will tie this bell around the cat's neck?" Everyone became silent as they realized that tying the bell is impossible. The old mouse said, "It is easy to suggest ideas, but it's difficult to do them." The young mouse realized that he had suggested an impossible idea, and he quietly sat down.
Hi friends! Did you have a lot of fun with the videos? Do you want more? Subscribe to our channel to have more fun with me. Click here to continue watching more such beautiful sing-song rhymes.